because my wig almost came off. I almost messed up my makeup, and I almost started to say, fuck this try-on haul. Really, I really did. Okay, but back to regular program. Hey Sour Patch Gang, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello guys, my name is Katrina and welcome to my channel. Before we get into today's naked wardrobe haul, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And you check out my Instagram at IG to the side. I'm back guys, school's out and I'm ready to get just back in it, especially with these clothing hauls that I had sitting for so long and I finally had the time to make. So we just gonna get into my favorite new brand, Naked Wardrobe. If you haven't already, check out the video before because I did a haul on this brand previously. And if you want to know the background and information more about them, just check it out before you watch this video. So anyways, this is my new improved Naked Wardrobe try-on haul. This is for the fall and winter looks. These are pretty much basics and stuff like that, like cute little dresses, cute little basics you can wear every day. And we're just going to get into it. So for the first one I have, this is the Naked Wardrobe black tank mini dress. And we're going to try it and we're going to see how it looks. So see you in a second. Hey guys, I'm back. So this is the first dress. This is actually called the Naked Wardrobe Get In Line black mini dress. Yeah, I have the receipt because, you know, I'm kind of slow. But anyways, this is the front of the dress. This is the back of the dress, and I hope you guys can see. This dress stops way above my knees, close to my crotch, and I like that. So, this dress is very comfortable. The material is double lined, and the material snatches you in, and I love that for me because before I came to record I was eating and stuff in my face and you can't really tell. So I got this dress because it's always good to have a black dress anyways, because you never know when you just need a simple black dress for any occasion. Like, it can never go wrong. As I said before, you can dress up, you can dress it up, or you can always dress it down, and you can just make it a thing. I feel like black dresses are a must, and every lady should have one in their closet, because if not, what are you doing with your life? So this dress, I got it on sale. This dress I got on sale. The clothing items that you see, I got them all on sale. It was during their Black Friday sale, because baby, one thing about Naked Wardrobe is they're going to be very expensive and they're not going to have no remorse. So I got like all of these dresses for like half the price. I think this dress like normally goes for like $56 and I got it for like $37. Love that for me, and I'm so happy that they did that. But anyways, this is the first dress. The front, the back, the side, and me. So I hope you guys like it. Let's get into the second one. So hey guys, I'm back. So that was the first dress. So we're gonna just jump right into the second dress, which I'm super excited. This one has a little bit of color, and everybody can use a little bit of color for the fall/winter. So this is the next dress that I'm going to try on. This is the front and this is the back of the dress in case I don't get a good view in the corner over there. But baby, I already like what I see, so let's just get into it and we're gonna get more into the details over there. Hey guys, I'm back. This is the second dress, and before we get into the details, I need a minute to catch my breath because baby, this dress was hard as fuck to put in. And I just can't understand for the life of me why do I keep picking dresses that are difficult to get in. Because my wig almost came off, I almost messed up my makeup, and I almost started to say, fuck this try-on haul. Really, I really did. Okay, but back to regular program. So, this dress is the Baby Snatch mock neck open back long sleeve mini dress, and that it was a tongue pull. And that dress is very correct within the title given. From the Naked Wardrobe Snatch collection that they just added like a few months ago or whatever the case may be. And when I tell you I am fully snatched, I am snatched to the point where it's kind of like almost uncomfortable. Like if I was to try to eat something, the dress would suck it in for the life of me and I would have gas all the way till I come home. But nonetheless, I love the color and I really love the fabric of this dress. It's stretchy even though it's snatched, so that's a plus because most snatch material are not stretchy friendly material because it wants to snatch you in, but this dress snatches you in the right place and it's stretchy so you can move. So this is the front of the dress. Oh, and the dress stops above my knees as well by my crotch again. So this is the front, this is the back, and the back I would say is backless, like it said. I love it. It's cute. It's not that revealing, and it's just about a right of back and it's open. And it's perfect for the winter, so you won't be too cold and you won't freeze to death. So I really love this dress. I really love this color. I think orange is my new color now because it just makes everything pop, and I just love it. So let's get on to the next one so I can get the fuck out this dress. And hey guys, I'm back. So yeah, I'm so eager to get out this dress. But before I get out this dress, if you like notice any like dark marks on my back, don't worry about it. I'm just going through a really rough time with my skin, dealing with my eczema. Like, it's been rough this year. Maybe I'll make a video about it so we can all relate and you guys can send me some remedies. But yeah, it's just leaving crazy marks on my back and I'm like so stressed out. Anyways, that's another video for another time. So we're going on to the third dress now. This dress looks like it's more friendly to get in. This is just a simple gray turtleneck dress, and yeah, we're gonna get into the details you know where at the corner. So see you in a second. Hey guys, I'm back, and this is the third dress. When I tell you Naked Wardrobe is giving me a run for my fucking money and trying on these dresses, I am not fucking kidding. Like, this, I don't even want to talk about it. I'm just over it. Okay, so anyways, this dress is the NW turtleneck mid dress charcoal. I don't know what's made about this dress. This dress goes all the way down to my ankles, but a little bit above my knee, if that makes sense. So yeah, this dress is perfect for the fall / winter. It's lightweight, but it's also heavy enough to keep you warm, if that makes sense. You already know how I feel about their fabric. Their fabric is awesome. It hugs the body, as you can see. It gives you curves. It's like classy, but still cute. Like, you could dress it up and dress it down to your liking, and it could still be a fly piece to wear for the winter, depending on how you rock it. It's giving me interview casual, or just like a brunch, I want to say, or just like even just going to hang out, like chill shit. But I like it. I love it. It wasn't that easy to get in, but who cares? Anything that's worth putting on, that's pretty as this and fly as Naked Wardrobe, is never going to be easy to get in. So this is the front, and this is the back, and this is the side, because it's giving what it's supposed to be gave. And yeah, so we're just going to go on to the other pieces, because baby, I am getting tired. Okay, and I'm back, so we're going to head on to the fourth dress. I just wanted to say this dress is definitely not a part of the Black Friday sale. This dress I just got randomly, and I just wanted to show you guys because it is also a part of their Snatch collection. So we're going to try this on, and I'm going to give you more details about this over there. So let's get into it. Hey guys, I'm back. So this is the fourth dress, I believe, but it's not a part of this Naked Wardrobe Black Friday sale haul that I got. I forgot what's the name of this dress, but when I seen it on the website, I was like, I gotta have it. It screams to me, and baby, I love it. It is a part of their Snatch collection. So like I think the orange dress was a part of the Snatch collection as well. So this is also another part of it. I love it. Now you can't really wear it in the fall or winter, but I feel like you can, like if you're like in an inside place, and I feel like you can fuck it up and turn some heads. And that's what I'm here to do in this lifetime. So anyways, I got this in chocolate. They had it in blush, white, I think black. I could be wrong. Don't quote me 100%, but I think those were the main colors. For some reason, I decided to get chocolate, and I'm glad I did because it is the best. I wore this dress for Halloween weekend, so I'll leave a picture somewhere over here so you guys can check it out and see. But baby, the dress, the outfit talks for itself. So this is the front. This is the back. This is the back of the dress. And I don't know, I love it. What's so cool about this outfit is that you can wear the top separately and the skirt separately. So you can mix it with your other pieces you have in your closet. So you can make it like whole different outfits within this just one outfit. So I think that's pretty dope. I love it. On a scale of 10, it's a 10. It snatches you in, obviously, because it's a part of the Snatch collection. And I think this dress in particular was $82. But I think like a few weeks after I fucking bought it, it went on sale, and I was pissed. Whatever. So let's just get into the last two outfits, and let's do it. Hey guys, so I'm back. So I just love this outfit so much and you guys are gonna love it too. I hope you get it. So for the next two pieces, I'm really excited to get into it because these are really what I'm really going for this fall/winter. If you haven't seen my last video, which is my fall Pinterest, like something like that, recreate mood board, you should check it out because this outfit that I'm about to pull right here is definitely pieces that I'm trying to like get from different websites and just rock them and style them different ways all fall and winter. So this is a two-piece outfit. We're gonna get into it and I'm gonna give you the details, of course. So stay put. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm super excited with this piece right here. This piece right here, like I said before, this is really what I'm going for all this winter. Like, it's cute and it shows a little bit of the stomach, but it's warm and it's really fucking comfortable. Like, I'm these days, I don't know, I'm just choosing comfort over tightness and like just being snatch, even though the dresses before is my style. Don't get it completely fucked up. But I'm just saying, like, 24/7 regularly dressed down, this is me, hands down. Anyways, this is the Naked Wardrobe Feeling Oh So Tight set. I'm so happy I was able to get my hands on this. These pizzas sell out fast in particular, and it's just like they never fucking restock. Or when they do restock, they sell out in like 30 seconds, and it just pisses me off. So anyways, I was able to get this set. Love, love, love. Comfortable as fuck, and like I always say, you can dress it up and dress it down, but you can really like dress this up or mix and match with the pieces. I just want to say Naked Wardrobe, the leggings are the fucking best, bro. Like, I have like two other pairs of leggings I have for them that I would show and throw in this collection, but this video would be longer than what it already is. But baby, this is actually not tight and it just fits really fucking fine and sexy, you know? Like, I feel so bomb, chic, sexy. I just feel good. I just feel me. I just feel happy. So, nonetheless, this is the front. This is the back, and how could you go wrong with this? Like, I'm just saying, like, how? Like, this is it, bro. Try to get your hands on this piece from Naked Wardrobe. Like, biggie. It's like trying to get the latest Jordans with this raffle app and shit like that. Like, that's how fast these pieces sell out, and I see why. So, let's get into the last piece, and then let's give my overall review. So, hey guys, I'm back. So, yeah, this is my favorite piece by far. It's just super comfortable and super Katrina, that's all. Nothing more, nothing less. So for the final piece, I want to say it's the same, but I think it's under a different collection of Naked Wardrobe too. But it's like the same but different color. I don't know. You get what I'm trying to say. But anyways, we're gonna try this on and we're gonna see how it looks. And I'm going to give you the details per usual, and then we're just going to come back and give you my overall review of Naked Wardrobe. Hey guys, I'm back, and this is the final outfit, and I love it. This is the Naked Wardrobe Scooped Up Tight Leggings Set in Zork Chocolate over that bottle. So it's actually similar style to the last one, but it's not the similar cut. The other one didn't have a scoop. Obviously, that's why it's called the scoop. It didn't have a scoop at the top. It was just fully like a little crop top or whatever the case may be. But nonetheless, I still like it. It's still giving the same effect as the last outfit. Just has a scoop or whatever. So you might have to wear like a little straw if you're going to wear this in the winter because, you know, it gets cold up here in New York and whatever. But scale 1 to 10, 10. I love it. The fabric, once again, is doing it for me. It's going to keep me warm. And it's going to keep me feeling sexy at the same time. So it's like I'm covered up, but I'm not covered up. This one is just made a little shorter. It shows more stomach and more bottom. So if you don't like that, you can always cover it up or do whatever you do best. But for me, I'm going to rock it out long first. So this is the front. This is the back. And I just love it. I just like this color too. It makes me look thick, like a snicker. But I really like how I'm feeling out in this outfit. Like, it's doing me justice. I just love it. Like, once again, this is what I'm going for the fall/winter. Very calm, very cool, very laid back, not doing too much, but doing just enough, and getting your attention by just wearing less. I mean, not wearing less, just being simple, casual, chic. Like, I think that's just my goal overall in life, because like being a bad bitch is fucking exhausting. So shout out to all you bad bitches that are bad bitches 24/7, because I am not that girl. Like, I want to take my wig off and like my makeup off. I am just not that girl, okay? Like, I am that girl 75% of the time. Whatever. But shout out to y'all, because y'all do the damn thing. I cannot. Like, it's a full-time fucking job. But anyways, this is it. I hope you guys like it. This is my last outfit. I love naked wardrobe. So we're going to go back to where we started, and we're going to talk some more and give you the details in my final say so about naked wardrobe. Hey guys, I'm back. Yes, I have my headscarf on because I am about to go to sleep. It is 2 a.m. and I am finally almost done recording, but when you see this video, it's probably daylight and the birds will be chirping and shit. But bitch, I'm tired. Anyways, my overall review of naked wardrobe was that obviously it's a fucking 10 out of 10. I love naked wardrobe. Yes, they are expensive. I'm tired of the girls saying that. But if you want quality shit, you want your quality shit to last, it's going to be fucking expensive. There's no other way around it that I can say. I don't feel like they double line their clothes with the same fabric. I've seen like some videos where some girls feel like they double line it just so it won't be cheap. I don't think so. It doesn't give me that, but like to each his own. Not knocking you. The fabric is 100%. Like, if it was shitty, I wouldn't even like recommend it to you guys or like even tell you guys to buy it or whatever the case may be. All the pieces was hitting. They was fire. You guys definitely should check them out. Yes, they are expensive, but they have afterpay. Cause girl, you already know my shit is on afterpay. I'm not even gonna sit up here in front and act like it's not, okay? Because afterpay be saving lives and be letting you live your life at the best damn time. Like, I just love that for us, okay? Going forward, I just love that for us. Yeah, so 10 out of 10, love naked wardrobe. I really hope you guys enjoy this haul. I bust my ass to do this one, and I stayed up extra fucking late in makeup 24 fucking 7. Well, not 24/7, but like for a few hours, and I really want to take it off, but enough about that. I just really hope you guys like this video. You give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new here and you like what you've seen, and this was your first time checking me out and you like this video, do yourself a favor, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos, because I'm pretty sure you'll like it too. So, I'm so happy to be back with you guys. School's out for this semester, so we have nothing but time to get into the shit that I wanted to finally get in and talk to. So before I get into that, make sure you run up my other views of my other videos that I put out while I was in school, because it was so hard trying to do that, and I just really be trying to like do 2 things at the same time. So you guys that fuck with me, just run it up. Like, I gotta hit the speed bump up on this process, you feel me? But nonetheless, I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you check out my video that came out before this, and stay tuned for my next video. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye.